Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we will talk about one of the important concepts when it comes to regular expressions called capture groups. And these capture groups are written in the parentheses. In last lesson, we discussed about the character classes that we put in square brackets, right? It is more like an OR, right? Let me show you. I gave an example in the last class. If I type in, some people type measure.marketer or some people type measure-marketer. Right, so I want to match both of them. So what I'll do, so I can simply go type in measure, and here I can put dot hyphen. So what's happening? Measure, they're all literally matching, and instead of dot is that it is matching hyphen. So, or you can even write it this way. Now see carefully. I can write dot pipe. Still it will match. Now, when I write this, what's going to happen is, I put them in the parenthesis. And whatever you put in parenthesis is called capture group. Why it is called capture group is because, just see, I'll remove it here. I'll put it like this. It is still matching. But you see, it says full match, which is only measure marketer. You see, measure marketer, it is exactly full match. But when I put in parenthesis, no, you can get the value in a separate match. That means we can read certain values from the expression that you already wrote. Let me show you. Rather than writing this, what if I write like this? I can say escape it and then pipe, and I can escape slash. It is still matching. But you see here, full match is measure.marketer for the first one, but the second one is capture group is dot. If you see the second match, measure-marketer is a full match, but you see the capture group captured what? Hyphen. Or let me give you one more example. Why they are important, you learn as I take you through in the further videos. Now see, thank. Some people type like this. Some people type thank you. Now what I want to do, I want to match it. I can write thank. If I write you, only you will match. If I remove this, only all will match because all of them have it. Now what if I tell you, if I put a caret here and if I put a dollar here, that means what? It will only match whatever expression that starts with T and end with K. But Prashant, only one is matching. Now if I put U here, it is matching this. If I put this, it is matching only third one. So what I can do is I can use OR. Remember, and I can use pipe. Right? So see what I'm going to do. So here I can put thank parenthesis, which is capture group, and then I can put pipe, and then I can put U. When I match, these two are matching. That means THA and K, thank. U can be there or U, YOU can be there. Alphabet U can be there or U can be there because it is OR, right? But the first one is not matching. Why first one is not matching? Because it has to be there. Either U should be there or YOU should be there. But what if I want to give optional to both of them? So whenever I give this optional, right, this optional is not applied to you. It is applied to the whole parenthesis. That means it is applied to you. That means U can be there, cannot be there. Or YOU can be there, cannot be there. That means THA and K will still match. Why? U or YOU are optional here. If I would have removed that, then it will only match thank you. Why? You should be there or YOU should be there. But when I apply a question mark here, it will become optional. Right? Now I'll give you one more example. Capture group. Now when I do that, you see, THA and K, first one, it is matching thank. Right? There's no capture group because capture group is the values in the parenthesis will be retrieved separately. That means certain part of a string or certain expressions can be retrieved from the expression that you write to match a certain string. Let me repeat this. I want to match Prashant, Joel, Reniguntala. I want to get my middle name, which is Joel. So what I can do, I can write a regular expression, but I put the word which is going to match Joel in the parenthesis, which will be retrieved separately. Let me give you one example. This will make it very simple for you to understand. Let me write here. Imagine. So what I'm going to do, I write Prashant here, right? Here there's space, right? So I can give space, right? And here I can put capture group. So here what I can do, I can put W. Remember, it will match only one word. Prashant, it will match only one word when I put that. So if I put W here, it is matching all, right? And then I can put slash, which is space, and then I can put what? W plus. It is matching. But you see, it is matching the whole word. But Joel is captured separately because the word Joel I'm trying to match in the regular expression, I put them into a capture group. You see, Joel separately. So this way, when I want to match, of course, but from the match, I want to extract certain portion of the match, certain portion of the string that you want to match, right? You want to retrieve certain part of it. You see here? Or let me give you one more example. Now, sometimes people write numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 number. 1, 2, 3 hyphen 1, 2, 3 hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 dot 1, 2, 3 dot 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Sometimes people write 1, 2, 3 dot 1, 2, 3 dot 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, some people write like this, or some people put the first one in the, or they give a dot. Right. So what do? I have to write a pattern. So in that case, the pattern will become very simple. So first, you see, if I put 1, 2, 3, it will match, but it is not matching the bracket, right? So why it is matching? Because 1 will literally match 1. But if I give something like this caret, and it is matching only these two, but it's not matching the bracket. Why? Bracket is not there in the string. So what I'm going to do is here, I will escape it. Because now, I told you in the a while back, when I put something in parentheses, that's special meaning. But here, I don't want special meaning. I want parenthesis to be parenthesis. So what I'm going to do, so I will escape it and I put this, right? But this is optional because it can be there, it cannot be there. And then I can put 1, 2, 3. Rather than writing 1, 2, 3, what I can do, I can simply write D, right? And I can write my 3 times. And then you have a hyphen or dot. So what I can do, I can put them like this, dot, hyphen, right? And then I can put D and I can put 3. And then I can put again, right? And then I can put 4. One, 2, 3, it's matching, hyphen. Now it is matching. Why is it not matching? Because here I did not give parenthesis. So what I have to do? Close it. Now see, it will match all of them. Right? But I want to read these numbers properly. Now if you see here, it is matching. First one full match, second one full match, third one full match, fourth one full match. But I want to read the values separately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these numbers in capture groups. It will still match. But you see, again, in the first match, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, fully matched. But the first capture group returned 1, 2, 3. Second capture group returned 1, 2, 3. Third capture group returned 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me change these numbers here. 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. You see, the numbers are changed. So it means it is not just matching, but I'm trying to retrieve the value which is stored in there. Or let me give you one more example. Same example. Some people type thank, some people write thank you, some people write thank you. So what I'm going to do is I can simply write thank, right? And I can put them into a capture group. You. Now see, here it is matching you. Here it is first one. It is matching only thank, no capture group. Why? It can be there, it cannot be there, because I put a question mark which is optional for the whole stuff. Thank. Second one, thank you is matching THAN. Either you can be there or alphabet you can be there. Here it is you. That is why thank is you is matching, but capture group is capturing you. And here thank you is matching because YOU is there. Remember the pipe means or. So thank you or you. Now when you is there, it is matching you, but the second capture group, in this the capture group is capturing what? You. Why this capture group is important is because, let me go back to my previous example. Right. You see here. Let me write it again. So, okay, let me put caret. Type. It is optional. Right. And then I can put something in D, and then I can put T. I hope you are able to understand. And then I will give them dot of this, and then I can put, but I want to put them into a separate capture group, and then yeah, it can be a dot or it can be hyphen. Then I can put them into another capture group, and I put 4 values. But here what I have to do, I have to make sure after the number, it can be there, it cannot be there. You see, now you see here capture group 1, the first one is full match. Or let me remove this. I'm talking only first one. It is matching full match 1 2 3 2 3 4 4 5 6 7. Why? I hope you are able to now follow with me. But the first capture group value is retrieved as 1 2 3. Second capture group, because in this whole expression this is the second capture group. The second capture group value, what is it captured? 2 3 4. The third capture group, the value that will be captured is 4 5 6 7. That means I'm trying to get certain pattern from the original expression which I'm trying to match. Why you need that, I will tell you, as I go a little deeper, right? So I'll share with you some of the use cases which you'll really find it useful as you'll try to build upon the skills that you already have with GTM and Google Analytics. And in GTM, when you want to set up multiple triggers, rather you can only create one trigger. If you want to set up multiple tags, don't have to do that. You can only set up one tag, provided you use regular expressions. Or if you want to read set of values, you can use regular expressions, custom JavaScript in Google Tag Manager, right? So I hope so far it is clear. And if you're not clear, please go through the videos again, and please make sure that you understand these meta characters and quantifiers, single characters, and the capture groups and the character classes. They're very, very important, right? So I would build more upon these skills as I go in the further videos in the next lesson. Thank you so much.